I'm here at the Northern California Classic Aerobatic Competition. Look who it is, world famous aerobatic pilot Sean Tucker. I'm helping him do some announcing down here today. We got 42 people competing, and then you came up on the roster, and you're in the intermediate class in this new Game Bird.
That's where I belong.
What do you mean?
Well, I flew my last contest 37 years ago.
Wow.
And what's so great about it is I'm still learning. And, you know, being an air show flyer, it's all about a dance, and you choreograph a dance, and you're flying with precision, but you're flying really close to the earth, so the rules of engagement are different. This is about being perfect, and my scores will certainly indicate I'm not perfect. So,
so it's different. It's simply different.
And what's so great about the IAC is all the performers. You know, I flew my first air show in '76. And the performers that thrive and survive in the airshow industry all were competition pilots. And this is such a great environment, very nurturing. The people that are flying here are just passionate about flight. They're very reverent. And when and I feel that you do this for a while, you've earned the right to have the privilege to fly in front of you at air shows. Because they've been trained, and it's about reverence, and it's about sharing the magic of flight and not showing off. But I'll tell you what, at 105 degrees, this is tough. and also, what's so tough is, you know, I retired from the air show business. My airplane's in a real special museum in Washington, D.C. I'm hanging out upside down next to Orville and Wilbur's.
Wow.
And that's cool, but you still got a purpose. I still love flying. I love the art form aerobatic flight. I love now training people.
Good.
And I love that. And so I have so much more to learn about this. And so intermediate is where I'm going to stay until I get it figured out. Then I'll move to advanced. But the physicality of it is pretty rigorous. And I'm 73. And I can't wear a helmet anymore because all my vertebrae has already been extruded. So I don't want to fly to where I'm disabled. And so I got to just take baby steps with this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. But I
says
love
a lot.
flying.
That's right. You can't quit, can you?
Yeah, but I see I have a souvenir wet towel. And I miss this
There
girl.
it is. Remember that?
I miss this girl.
man.
So I've gone to the dark side. I'm flying a GB1. It's a fabulous magic carpet ride, but it's like dancing with a prima ballerina. Okay? My biplane is like
I just go
dancing hardcore with a biker gal.
completely different personalities.
Completely different. So finesse and grace. And,
When you see him out there practicing for his routine, he's dancing literally on the pavement out here, rehearsing his routine.
A lot of fun.
Good stuff. Sean Tucker, thanks so much.
God bless America.
All right, see you here.
See ya.